Shield's air conditioner treatment fogger eliminates odour and bacteria from the air conditioning system in as little as 10 minutes. Close all windows and doors while allowing the engine to run and switch the air conditioner on. Select internal airflow and set to maximum speed. Place the canister upright in front of the passenger seat. Activate the spray by pushing the spray button down and locking into place. Exit the vehicle. Allow 10 minutes for the air to circulate and the can to empty. Open the windows and doors, set airflow to external air and ventilate for 10 minutes before driving. Discard the empty can.